Another Form Titan video, and in this video we'll talk about how to automate conditional size for tabbed section. So what I'll do is I'll get some tabs and then I'll show you how this process works. Get rid of tab 3, we don't need it for this demo. And then in here I will insert some stuff. So let's do text box, then we'll do text areas like this and like this. And let me just adjust the spacing. Okay, good. That's that done. And then what we'll do next is add something in tab 2. So I'll get a text box and then I'll get another text area. Okay, now I'll go ahead and rename this. I'll call this ABC, and then I'll call this A and B, and then in here I'll call this 1, and then we'll call this 2, something like that. Then what I'd like to do is adjust the spacing here for each tab. So for 1 I'm going to leave this as it is, but for 2 I'm going to adjust it so I only see this much. And to do that you need to make sure that advanced conditional size is checked. If it's not checked, this will not work. So once you've done that, go to Style, go to Element, your tab 2 is automatically selected, go to Size and Position, set the specific tab size to be, let's say in this case I'll set this to 150. So I'll show you what this looks like on a rendering. Okay, it's a bit too, it's less, so we'll push this to about 200. Save, and then let's preview this. Okay, that's 1, that's 2, still a bit more, so we'll do 250. There we go. Alright, let's test this again. Tab 1, tab 2, perfect. Okay, we got this. Now, what I'd like to do is, if I type 1, 2, 3 in this ABC, I'd like both of these to be hidden. And when it's hidden, I like the section to move up. And then same here, if I type 1, 2, 3 here, I'd like this to be hidden and this section to move up. To automate that, you must check, I'll repeat this again, you must check conditional size. If this is not checked, this will not work. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and write conditions. We'll say, if current field is not empty, go ahead and hide A, and then hide B. Very simple on this one. And then here I'll say if current field is not empty, then go ahead and hide 2. Okay. Now let's see how this works. So if I go in there and I refresh this, go to tab 1, we'll just type A, and it's hidden, and you can see it's all resized itself correctly. And then same here, if I type 1, this one hasn't resized itself correctly, and the reason for that is because it's not. You can see it's overlapping something here. So what we'll do, we'll move this to the side here like this. There. And now if I give this a refresh, go to tab 1, hidden and hidden. Okay, this is how simple it is for you to set up the conditional sizing on each section if you have conditions set on there. And again, if it doesn't, it will retract back itself just like that again, and this is how it's done. So just to review the process, have tabs and then go to advanced, make sure you check conditional size. If you want to manually adjust the spacing, then go to Style, Element, Size and Position, and specific tab size. If you want to leave it as it is and let the conditions work, then simply just click on this and make sure conditional size is checked. And this is how it's done.